Hello, ma'am. How are you? How are you all? Assalamu
Hello, good
alaikum.
afternoon, Janab.
Good
I'm
afternoon,
fine.
ma'am.
I'm fine.
Good afternoon, Janab. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon.
Good
And
afternoon,
a
ma'am.
warm welcome for the session, Janab.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your warm welcome.
Gurveen is there with Janab. Gurveen is there and she'll be conducting the session. I think all the teachers have joined,
Hello, Miss Gurbin. How are you?
or we'll have to wait for someone.
Good afternoon, Janab. I'm fine and doing well, and hope the same for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you so much for this initiative. I see even our youngest students, even the kindergarten people, students are here, and I have a lot of surprises for especially the kindergarten group, the early education. We are now coming up with that, and lots of new games and modules we've introduced for them. So thank you so much, Jana, for being so proactive and taking this initiative for your students. Thank you.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. And I also believe that surely you must be having a lot of things to show us and to offer us and for our students.
Yes, of course, of course.
Hello.
So today's agenda, Janab,
जी
it
તમે
would be
ઓનલાઈન છો
completely the
ઓનલાઈન છો
implementation part as we all had the
આવી રહી
orientation
છું ને
session
જલ્દી
and
કરો
teachers have an
ચલો
idea about the program. But still, if you all have any concerns or queries, please let me know. And Janab, you can guide me on that. But I just thought of two as you're after 2 or 3 days, you're going for your winter break. Am I right?
yes ma'am yes
Yes.
it would be
And when are
starting
you
from
resuming
24th
back?
and 24th till 10th of Jan.
10th of Jan. Okay, great. So, Janab, I have a plan. Like today, we'll do the implementation. We'll equip the teachers with all the tools to orient the students and parents so that before going for the break, they can log in and they can get started with the activities. And I will be sharing some activities for students so that teachers also do not have the load of, from assigning some particular topics and so. So I'll share that activity sheet so that these students can do it. And yes, I have another surprise a quiz thing so that you can, create in that enthusiasm among the students. During the winter, they can do these activities. And when you are back, we can have a very short, yeah, can you just mute? Yeah. We can have a very short refreshing session for teachers, just 15-20 minutes, a refreshing session for teachers where they can then start, assigning the topics of their whatever they are teaching. And then we'll launch a very, cute, or I should say, a very festive family contest with your students when you join after the break. So is the plan okay, Janab?
Yes, ma'am, please go ahead with your plan, and I anticipate that it would be wonderful. So please go ahead, whatever you feel comfortable with.
Okay, okay, okay. So I'm just now, I think we have everybody on now. Is Miss Jamila joining in? Or she's already here? No, she's not here.
Already here.
She's
She was
the
here.
name. The name is not displayed. So I think I can get started now. Yes. So, welcome to this session, and I think it's the second time we all are gathering here, and this is particularly for the implementation part, right? So, we have set up the school. Should I recall the login steps once? Okay, I'll just do that. Uh, for logging and getting started, it's not any app. Teachers, you don't have to download any app. You just have to go to your browser. As right now, I'm working on Google Chrome. If you are using iPhones and all, you can go for Safari, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, whatever browser you are using. It's compatible with every browser. You just have to type in the address www.firstinmath.in. Okay, I have shared this web link on the chat window also. You see there is a chat window in our this platform. So you can just click on the link and you will reach to the website. Here, this is the website. Okay. So login and getting started is very simple. Just type in the usernames and passwords. So for username and password, I will be starting with Janab's level, the admin, the principal level login. And then I'll move to the teacher's level login to go for the implementation. And before that, I just want to share few of the documents here on my screen, which have already been shared with Janab via email and on WhatsApp group also. Vijaya has just shared these documents. So let's go through these attachments very quickly and then we'll move live. Okay. So the first attachment, it says teacher logins. So Janab, we have registered your students and every grade is called a team. Like KG2 is the botany team and the two teachers are there, Ms. Jamila and Ms. Tasneem. So both the teachers will be sharing this ID 00 botany 90 mh and this is the password for you. Okay. So you can just type in this username and password. Likewise, we have for all other teachers, Miss Yukta, Miss Zainab, Mr. Abbas, right? Miss Zainab, you are taking care of 1, 2, 3 and 4 grades, okay? So do not worry. आपको ये 4 different IDs याद रखना जरूरी नहीं है. You can just remember any one of the IDs. We have linked your IDs with your email so that you can just jump in from one grade to another. Okay. So for now, you can
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ms. Zainab
Yes,
Wadia,
sir.
sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Ma'am, I think she should have been assigned senior classes starting from class 5. Am I right, Ms. Zainab?
But when I had a talk with Miss Nas, she told me, Miss Shahida, she was taking 4 till 7.
Okay, but ma'am, Mr. Grubin, have you assigned her the upper section also? Right, class
See,
6 and class
this is
7, or is it
according.
just confined to primary section?
No, sir. Separate logins she will have and separate content will be there. But
Yes? Sorry?
Okay, ma'am, please go ahead. Thank you.
sir, this was according to the list provided to us. If there are any changes, it can be done.
Got
It is
it.
not an issue. Do not worry on that.
Got
If you feel that Ms. Zainab will not be taking for 4A, inform us and give us the name of the respective teacher. That will be that edit will be done. It's very instant, and even at your level, you can also do it. But we know we'll do it for you. So do
Exactly,
not
ma'am.
worry. If there are any changes,
This is I
by
wanted to
evening
ask
also you can give
exactly.
it to us.
Are we going to have admin rights so that we could make slight changes if we want, or do we have to consult you
Yes,
time
you
by
have a
time?
lot of yes, Janab. You have a lot of admin rights, starting from even registering your students. You know, in US, the teachers themselves they register their students and they have all those rights. But here we have we do it for the schools. So you have all those rights. Till the time you're not comfortable, just share the things with us. We'll do it for you. Okay. So it's good I shared this, and if you have any changes in the respective teachers, please let us know. Okay. So I'll move on to the next document, dear members. That is a PowerPoint presentation being shared with you all. This is called the Parents Guide. Okay. So as you are planning, you are going to do a small orientation for your students, right? So this is the parent guide where teachers you can look for. This is a 24 slides parent presentation. It will not take you more than 15 minutes. And all the points that you have heard in my presentation during the session are covered here, and very basic informations of how to log in and what to do. Everything is covered here. We can quickly go over, starting with a little history of First in Math, how it started and how proven it is. And then starting with the implementation part, like how to log in. So it's a digital platform informing the students, and then giving them the design of the program and explaining them the game design, the modules, the outcomes for students, and then comes finally the simple 3 steps to log in, as we are going to just do it right now. So it works on any device, any operating system, any browser, anytime, anywhere the child can use. They just have to go to, first step is go to the website, second step is click on login button, third step is enter the username and password, click on go. So now there is a big question, what is the username and password? So that also we have simplified. For this support teachers, immediately I go to the next attachment. We'll hold on to the parent guide. We'll come back shortly. But now I am showing you your student login sheet. This is the next attachment shared with you all. Janab, we already discussed about this. This is a generic document to be shared with all the students irrespective of classes, as informing the students, informing the parents that school has introduced this program, what are the benefits, what are we going to do. And in this yellow box, this is a very confidential information for a parent, that the username and password of the child. So username, dear teachers, please note, because you are the one who is going to face the queries, many calls or questions you will have. What is the username? So the username is very simple, the name of the child. So please make a note, teachers. Only name, no surname, no middle name, nothing. And it is not case sensitive, either caps lock or small letters, anything you can use. It is not case sensitive, and no space should be there. Okay, no space you have to enter. Now comes the password. Password is made very simple, as we have your what is the enrollment number, right? So every parent is aware of the enrollment number of their child. Maybe they are having in their iCards or some document of school, right? So that enrollment number, as it is, they have to, I think it's entirely numeric. Janab, the enrollment number is entirely numeric in your case?
Yeah, miss, let me inform all the participants over here that we have kept ITS numbers as a password, so that it could be very easier for each child to log in through by using their ITS numbers.
So yes, thank you so much, Janab, you guide Vijaya. I want you to immediately connect with the Shilpi and get the changes done here. Let's write ITS number here, right? We should not have enrollment number, okay? We'll do that, Janab. We'll specifically write here the ITS number, okay? Vijaya,
No,
are you there?
Gurveen,
Yeah.
no. I just want to confirm, Janab, it is IT's ID or enrollment number, because earlier it was told that we are giving it enrollment number.
Ma'am, actually we have provided you the ITS numbers of children, in the form of
Okay.
enrollment number. Am I right, Ms. Zahra? Could you please confirm this?
Yes, Anam. So you don't need to change. I think let it be as it is. When children, we are going to ask them to write down the password, so we'll instruct them to use their ITS number.
No, we can change it, Zara ma'am. Like if it is
Not an
ITS
issue,
ID.
Ms. Zara. Yeah, just to avoid any confusion, just hold on. Just during our session, Vijaya will share this document. Just a text change we have to do, right? The ITS number. Okay. So
Okay,
let's
okay,
not
sure. Thank you so much.
confusion in that. We'll do that. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. It's really good to pull the documents and fill in all the missing pieces. Thank you so much, Janab. You pointed out this. So, any questions? Should I pause here? Teachers, please feel free. Any questions on this? The login sheet? We'll make the changes for the ITS number. Okay. And this is a PDF document, Janab. Here we have a live link also. Parents can just click on the link here and they can log in. And even we have a link for a video. It's a tutorial video for the very popular 24 game card. So even the parents can watch this video and the children get excited. Oh, these things are there and we want to log in. And even our email ID and contact infos are here. In case any other support is required, they can contact us also. Okay, so it's a PDF document with live links for parents to follow and quickly log. Any questions on this? Should I move back to the parents guide? Okay, no questions? Fine. So I'm now moving back to the parent guide. Here we just paused. So with the login info, after that, all the steps are explained, how the content is divided, where to click. Like early is meant for kindergarten and grade 1 and 2 students, elementary is for grade 3 and 4, intermediate 5 and 6, and advanced 7 and 8. So teachers, do not worry. These are very powerful tools for you. You have the detailed information. So any queries you have, you will 99% you will get answers on this parent guide. And if still, we are always there. Me and Vijay is just a phone call away, or you just drop a message on the group. Immediately we'll call, and we'll be in live assistance with you when you do the orientations. Okay. So rely on this guide, especially all the steps, when you log in, what is the home page, where to click, specifically where to check the message from teacher, where to get your certificates, and where to download from. The module descriptions are also given here, Janab. Which module? Like I said, every module is a skill. So the skill is defined in this module description. And then some proofs, and just to show the parent that a lot of research and case study, and there has been it's very impactful. All these informations have been shared in this parent guide, along with the display of certificates that parents, they can create the digital portfolio of their students and then share. And a very important information, the family link. I hope you all remember, every child gets a free additional login ID password for their parents, the families, to play. All right, so that information is also given here, and very soon we are going to use this for our contest also. So it's a one-stop shop. All the information are here for our parents. And Janab, since we are having our kindergarten, these are very young learners. So kindergarten teachers, Ms. Jamila and Ms. Sneem, I'll be sharing a little upgraded version of Parents Guide to you, because in this we have some special slides where we are focusing on the modules for our kindergarten students. So for you, please refer to this guide which I will share with you, like K2 World. This module is for your kindergarten students. And Janab, recently we have introduced dozens of games for this early education part, and detailed slides are here for our kindergartners. Okay, please use this presentation. Only I'm saying for kindergarten students. Clear? So any questions right now? Should we now move on and log in and take the implementation part? Any questions, anybody, regarding the attachments, regarding how to start and launch this? Please feel free to ask. Yes, anyone? It's a complete silence.
Miss, you mentioned about something about parents login IDs, that children can get additional login IDs for their parents too.
Yes.
So what is the process for
Yes,
that, ma'am?
yes.
And what would be the appropriate stage to get that login ID?
No, it is that when a child logs in, the login ID is available on the child's home page. It is mentioned here. I'm moving back. It's mentioned here about and sample family ID home page. Okay. So it is on the student home page itself. There is a link, and the student need not apply anyone or ask anyone for the ID. When the student logs in, he has a link here at the bottom, family link. He just have to click on the link, and then there itself they get the new login ID password for the family.
So additionally, how many login IDs could be created, ma'am? I mean, would it be for, let's say, father or mother, or just one ID would be created by the...
No. That's why we have mentioned family. So father, mother, both, they can play collectively. That is their own ID. So it's one each per child. Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So this info is clearly, and please focus on this, because parents really enjoy, and they also participate along with their students. So any other queries? Okay, I'm now back to my browser, and let us all log in live. Has anyone logged in? Any teacher? Any one of you, did you all log in?
Yes, I am logged in.
Yes.
Okay, who's it? I can, Miss Zena.
Yes.
Ye-
Great,
Yes, we
great,
are
Miss
logged
Zena.
in.
Okay, Mr. Abbas, thank you. So let me also quickly log in. I think you'll have to hold for just one more, 2 more minutes because firstly I'll
Yes,
log
I've
in
also
with
logged in
Janab's
the
ID.
class 2 and
Yes.
3. In
Okay.
class 2 and 3, I've also logged in.
Okay. Great. Great. So please hold on for another 1 or 2 minutes because I will first log in as Janab's ID. So, ma'am, can you just mute? Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. So, Janab, Vijaya will share your ID separately and on a very quick call, she can, explain you the tools and features that you have. But it's very user friendly and very simple to understand. So, for your ID, Vijaya will share, it starts with 92. Just have to type in the username, password, and click on go. Teachers, you can just watch it because your dashboard is a little different from the admin dashboard. But again, you have all the data. So here we are. This is Safia Boys Higher Secondary School, Karachi. This is your live dashboard, Janab, at the principal at the admin level. We have enrolled 245 students from your school. As your students start, you will have all the data here. Team of the week, player of the week, and a lot of data here also. Top players by teams, winner circle, wall of fame, everything. Right now, I'll just show you your teams as I showed in the PDF also. Here you can look for your teams, I mean your grades and sections. You have one section for each grade, right? So here are your teams and your team leaders. We can make the changes as you want for grade 4A. You just give us the information we can make. Or you also have the team edit option and you can go here and change the names. So here, Janab, you have the complete info. What are the grades? Who are the team leaders? How many students? Like in 1A, you have 20, 2A, you have 27 students. And as soon as your students start, you will get to see team wise which team is at the top, which is most active team, right? All this data you will get. You even have the login IDs, passwords of your teachers also here, right? So all this control you have and a lot more. You can always drop from this drop down menu. You can always look at the reports also, whatever the every team and every student is doing. Okay. And you have your own preview button here, wherein you can also explore the content whenever you feel like you can explore the content. Okay. So this was the admin view. Now I would like to log out and log in as one of your teachers. So let me log in as Miss, I should take Miss Zainab as she's taking multiple grades. So let me log in first as Miss Zainab. This is her ID, Nautilus 9. Okay. So I'm typing in the username. I think I'm correct with the password. Let me just check. NAT. Correct. And go. So first I'm logging with one of your teachers' ID, Mrs. Zainab. So did you all notice, dear teachers, when you logged in, did you all see the same page? Are you on the same page as I am for Mrs. Zainab? You see your name at the top. You can just confirm, Mr. Abbas and other teachers. Are you on the same page?
No, no.
No? Okay.
Uh,
It's
You
a
just
class team information.
we are on the
yes,
classroom team information
yes,
page.
yes. Correct, correct. So that work we have already done. We have already registered your students. So I request you all to click on the home button. When you click on home, you will see the same screen as I am on. Just click on home. And did you
Yes,
see your
done.
name here at the top? Yes. So you have your name here at the top. You have your own notification box here. Now you have just received from our side, you have received 3 messages. You can go over this. You have a parent letter and other documents are here. You can click on these and go over. And when you start action, you will see for your student messages also here and all your assignments. This is your button, okay? The mailbox. Clear? Now let's move down a little. As I told, Miss Zainab is taking multiple grades. So first thing, just move down. Her teams are linked. If she wants to move to 5A, from here itself, she can go to her 5A team. Okay? Just click there and she is now at her 5A team. Okay? So right now I'm moving back to 4A. Clear? So any other teachers, if you have multiple grades, you have the IDs linked here, you can click here. Now let me show you your list of students. First thing, whenever you start your new session, you have your attendance register, right? So let me show you your list of students. So I request you all to click along with me. The assessment reports. Here in the center panel, you see the first link here, assessment reports. Please let me know if I'm going fast and if you want me to repeat, okay? So under assessment report, just click on it and then go for the first option. See, under that you have a lot of options, lot of reports. Right now we are not going to overload you. Just click on the first button, summary. Summary takes to your, the list of students and their activities. A very quick view of just checking the activity of your student, the activation part. So implementation, the first thing is activation, right? Activation starts with orienting the students during your online class. Since we are having, during your class, you can actually do it during your class. Orient them, give them their login IDs and password. That part we have already covered. I shared the login ID sheet with you, right? Give them that. And then after that, teachers, you want to know now how many students have started, right? So just go log in with your ID. I'll repeat, log in with your ID, go to assessment reports, the first link in the center, then follow the first link here, summary. Here the summary takes you now, Miss Zainab, grade 4. These are your students, right? Abbas, Buraduddin, Hussein, Khizar, right? This is all your list of students. Just check it. Teachers, everyone, I request, please log in and check if any one of your students have been left, or in case you have some new admissions, please let us know. We can register those students for you. Okay? Clear? So just check, and every column here has a sorting button. You can arrange them in alphabetic order. You can arrange them in the activity order, when the students start the activity, who is having the highest stickers, how much time the students have sent on first in math, and what was their last login date and time. All this ready information you get under summary. Okay, Jana, from your login also you have the access. You can enter to any class and see the check the summary of any class you want. So any questions on this, dear teachers? Anyone?
Ma'am, I would like to ask that here the passwords are different. So are these the passwords?
Great, Ms. Zara, great. See now, what happens is, these are system generated passwords, okay? So you do not follow this, because to make it easy for students to log in, we have taken that route. We have given the name and ITS number, right? So this passwords, you do not, this also they can log in, but you do not provide this password to them.
Okay, thank you so much.
Right. This is system generated, and if you have the facility, sending one-on-one messages to each and every child regarding the username and password, then we do it, So you can just, but very nice observation, Ms. Zara. Thank you so much. So can we now move to the second part? The first is the activation part. We are clear. Are we clear? The orientation, login ID sheets we have to give to students. And then we have to check how many students have logged in and how many have not. Am I clear on this, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. And one more thing, I'm back to the summary page. On the summary page itself, dear teachers, you have your own messaging envelope. Can you trace this tiny envelope here on my screen and your screen as well? You just click on it, and you have, you can insert, you have a pre-written messages also here. Keep working, on this many stickers. So you can type a very nice welcome message also for your students. However, in whichever way you want to do it. You can be creative. Type a message for your students, whatever you want to type, hello, congratulations, welcome, and just here on the send button. Be mindful, you cannot delete your messages, okay? So just type it on this top box, type your message, check your message here at the bottom, and click on the send message. And this is how you can send messages to all the students. And if sometime you feel that Hussain, Khizr, or Mustafa, these students have not started, so you can send a personal message to this, but like say example, Mustafa. He could not start, in the first 2-3 days. So you can send a message to Mustafa and you can assign a particular activity. Whatever you want to do, you can do from here. Okay. So this is very safe. It is end-to-end encrypted. Whatever message a teacher sends to a student, other student cannot view this. Okay. So on your summary page, you can do a lot. So is the activation part clear? Now we'll move to the next part, that is the motivation part. Can we move to the next phase, the motivation phase?
Yes, please.
Yes, thank you, Ms. Zara. So now comes the motivation part. For the motivation part, please
Can you
allow
see there is
me-
something outside?
Okay, it was not for me, right? So for the motivation part, allow me, I'll come back to Ms. Zainab's ID, but allow me to move into a live classroom where the activity is already on. Okay, now I'm moving into a live classroom, one of our schools, and this is Ms. Sherwin's class. Oh, Ms. Sherwin has already sent the Player of the Day link. Let me take you to some other class. Okay. Let me take you to Hero class, or let me take you to Remedy. Okay, 1 second. I'm really sorry for this, but I really want to show you a live link. These teachers are so active, every day they know, none of them miss sending the batches to the students, but just let me, check for this one. I got it, yes. So, okay, now I am on a live classroom, Miss Bhakti's class, okay. Now you see a little difference, teachers, in yours and hers. Her students are already active and now you have a lot of heavy loaded numbers, and this is the school who's using it for now the 5th year, okay. So what I want to show you here, now we are coming to the motivation part. So teachers, do not worry, you will not have to spend more than 5 to 10 minutes in a week for that, and during your vacation also, do not worry, it's not will not be mandatory for you to spend even those 10 minutes for this just hardly 2 weeks vacation you're getting. So do not worry on that. But I'm telling you, the motivation starts from within the school, and every day we have this Player of the Day on your dashboard. Right now you must be seeing a blank, right? On Miss Bhakti's class, Abbas is the Player of the Day, and for every student, we have a link here. Whenever the teacher just have to log in and click on this link. Can you all see the link on my screen? Send POTD badge to Player Abbas. So the moment I click on this link, the link will be gone and the certificate will be given to Abbas from the teacher. So like Ms. Zainab, whichever student earns the maximum number of stickers for that particular day, right? It's not about the whole stickers. For that particular day, whichever child has earned maximum stickers is given the title of Player of the Day, and there is a link automatically for the teacher to just click, and the certificate will be sent to this boy and teacher's name will be written on the certificate. So it's very important that if you want to make any changes in the teacher's name, please let us know, and especially your spellings and all also you can check, dear teachers, because your names will be printed on the certificate. It's all automatic, you don't have to do it. Okay, so do not forget to send this link and call the name in your class. Just call out these names in the class and motivate these students. So we just want you to motivate the students, and automatic dashboard you have here, teachers. The top 5 players of your class, you will be listed here. If you want to look for every child's activity, you know now where to go. Where should we go? Assessment reports and summary. Here you will get the activity of each and every child. And now I have something very exciting for all of you. The winner's circle link. This is there right now in your IDs also. You can just click. You will have blank data. But you have the winner's circle link here at the bottom, dear teachers. Please click on this. Along with me, you can do that. But right now, you will not see any data in your login. But you see here in Ms. Bhakti's class, for this school, this is school-wide, okay? Team of the week, player of the week, team of the month, player of the month. You can check this even Janab grade-wise. You know, if you want to go for grade 1, 2, 3, kindergarten, you can go and check the data. You can even see being a teacher of grade 4, you can see who all are players of the day in other classes also. So you get to see the entire data, right? Janab, on your social media or during your assembly, you know, you can also just quickly see the names and announce these names all together at single view. You don't have to log in with each and every teacher and get to know who is player of the day in which class. So at your login also under winners circle, this is all about winners. Winning, player of the week, player of the month, right? And this motivation, we prepare the wall of fame. I'll show you one sample from Amity School, Dubai. This is the champions of the week. This is the format we will share with you every week. Okay. So every Monday, this data gets updated because Sunday 12 midnight, it gets updated. So Monday we prepare. So by Tuesday, Vijaya will be sharing these kind of wall of fames with you. Teachers, these really motivate a lot to students, you know, looking at the teams who are the teams of the week and looking at who are the players of the week. You can even post it on your social media or on your school portal. This really motivates a lot. So we have a lot of motivation work. All is automated. You don't have to, you just have to, you know, check your student's name and just convey this to them. So am I clear? Player of the day, please click on the link. And yes, I was telling you that you are having your vacation time. I don't want कि एक load रहे आपके ऊपर. On your vacations, I want to disclose this to you that if you forget to send this link, post 5 p.m., this link will be sent automatically. Okay, if the teacher forgets in the morning to send the link, post 5 p.m. IST it is. I can give you your time also. I can share that. So that the child will get the certificate. Automatically, the link will be deactivated from here. So do not worry. For your vacation time, you also enjoy your vacation. The certificates will be going on. But yes, when you are back, please do this practice because when it goes from the teacher, when the teacher calls the name in the classroom, this matters a lot for the child. Okay. So this is your motivation part, the player of the day and wall of fame, weekly wall of fames we will be sharing with you. Any questions on that? Any concerns, any questions, any other thing? Okay, I think there's no question on that. So activation and motivation is done. Now next part, teachers, what I want to cover here is show you your buttons where you can now explore the content. So content related, do not worry. I will not overload you right now. After your vacation time, when you are back, we will do just a very short 15-20 minutes session telling you how to assign particular activity so that and sharing a lot of best practices with you, what you can do in school or during your online classes and how you can embed First in Math with your routine teaching and learning. I hope that is fine, right? Post your vacations because it's just 2-3 days now. And let the student enjoy and get into the program, right? So now I want you to look at this play button. Teachers, are you all ready? Please click on the play button and I will have few questions for you. Please click on the play button. Okay. Now, what view do you have? Do you have all the wedges open for you? Do you have all, Miss Samila, did you see all the highlighted blue wedges on your screen? Or Mr. Abbas? No. Great. What do
No,
you
only
see?
intermediate and advanced.
Yes, Mr. Abbas would have only intermediate and advanced.